To commemorate the COP11 to CBD, a biodiversity complex is being constructed in Hyderabad. The pylon is an important component of it. Hyderabad is the first host city to have a pylon. The pylon explains the evolution of humankind. The three major components of biodiversity depict on the pylon. I invite the foreign delegates to see the pylon and plant a sampling. I compliment the designers and the developers of the pylon structure who have finished the whole thing in 50 days.
Construction of commemorative pylon for biodiversity from concept to completion of construction happened in a record time of about 90 days. As the concept is a unique one in so many ways, it took a lot of time to decide constructions, processes and techniques. The initial ideas and designs modified and improved frequently to create a monument for the historic occasion. From the day it started till it is completed, the team faces so many execution challenges. Fixing of stone weighing about 1.5 ton onto the elliptical pylon is the biggest challenge. Heavy rains interrupted construction number times and it is a big challenge to come up the loss of time. While Charminar is constructed before independence, this is the only one constructed after independence which will also bring name and fame to the historic city of Hyderabad.
The beautiful pylon which is being unveiled today is a commemorative marker of the Convention on Biological Diversity which Andhra Pradesh is proud to host. It is an artistic expression of the evolution of life and the interdependence of the various forms of life on earth. For those of us who have been associated with this work, it has been a very exciting challenge in terms of design, planning, execution and coordination with multiple agencies. The wonderful teamwork that we've had has made all this possible within a very short span of just 2 months. This majestic monument will be there for generations to see, and it is yet another example of the fusion of the traditional with the modern, for which Hyderabad is already so famous.
A monument for biodiversity is an attempt to tell the story of our place in nature and delicately balanced ecosystem in which we live. 5 major mass extinctions are reported to have occurred since life began on Earth. Each catastrophic event has led to the large and sudden drop in biodiversity and colossal loss of plant and animal life. The most recent event, which is Cretaceous Palogene extinction, occurred about 65 million years ago. It has attracted more attention than others because it has resulted in the extinction of the dinosaurs. The Monument for Biodiversity is an artistic expression of the great mystery of creation and life on Earth. Architecturally, the Biodiversity Monument depicts solid, liquid, and gaseous states. Extending the same explanation, we can add 2 more states which are beyond, namely the plasma and light, which are progressively subtler. The monument symbolizes the diverse forces of creation. It took 58 days of dedication and hard work to build the pylon. Architecture adds a human dimension to art and transforms a symbol into a monument. The Biodiversity Monument is an artistic expression of the bond between man and the rest of the animate world. The unbroken circle of the world in which everything exists becomes the genesis of the monument.
We are seeing the International Conference of Biodiversity happening in our city of Hyderabad, and we are very happy that we are actually hosting this in our state on behalf of the Government of India, and this is a prestigious incident even for the country. In commemoration of this great event, the Government of Andhra Pradesh, especially the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Kiran Kumar Reddy Garu, has decided to develop a biodiversity complex where we are going to construct a commemorative pylon, as it is called, to ensure that we are going to tell the posterity the kind of the deliberations that have taken place in this great city of Hyderabad so that it will be a process of understanding the biodiversity and its conservation, which is very much essential for the humanity for its own survival. In this biodiversity complex, apart from this pylon, we are going to set up a biodiversity park where we are going to raise very rare and endangered species of the plants planted by the members, delegates of all these 193 member countries. And in addition to that, we are also going to have a National Biodiversity Museum which is going to be constructed here. And apart from this, in the future we are also planning to have a very good aquarium which will actually add to the totality of the biodiversity complex here. And this is going to be a very significant landmark.
3 types of wind on the planet: polar easterlines, westerlines, and trade winds. The ring of air is 108 feet in diameter. Consequently, this scared number becomes a crucial dimension for the pylon circle base: Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, and Tamoguna. Everything on this planet can be classified as a cognizable entity based on these qualities. These 3 decks represents 3 perspectives. Also, there are 12 pedestals along the path that represent the 12 hours of the day that symbolize time. Ring of fire. An inward sloping grass from the ring of earth meets the next element, the ring of fire, Agni Mandalam. The fire here is symbolized by sun with radiating lines in the colors of fire. The ring of fire has 108 lights, which is exactly the amount of time it takes for one heartbeat of the sun. This is the very cosmic pulse of energy that sustains life on our planet. It is the fundamental wavelength of our system. Incidentally, that ratio of Earth's diameter to that of the Sun's diameter is approximately 108. Mural wall, Jiva Vaividhya Chitra. A transition wall slopes down in between the range of fire and the range of water. Symbolically, this wall represents the creation and its diversity sandwiched in between creation fire and dissolution water. In reality, the 3 zones are not separate. They seamlessly merge into one another. Segregation helps a logical explanation. Art helps to blur the division to give a symbiotic expression. This wall is divided into 3 zones containing murals depicting the 3 themes of biodiversity: system, species, structure, that is, Prakruti, Prani, Antarlaya.
This commemorative park, this commemorative pylon with this biodiversity complex, in biodiversity park, biodiversity museum also may be there in future. All these are being planned in a very short period. It has been done. Less than 2.5 months, this entire complex has been developed. So many roads have been laid, so much work has gone into, so much efforts have gone into it. Especially the commemorative pylon, it was finalized, and exactly 2 months ago, this work was entrusted to the designer and the architect who have done this job. EPIC was asked to supervise this work, and they have been doing this according to the, as per the government direction, as per the full satisfaction of the government. And this work has been done on war footing in almost near perfection manner. For that, S&S, Green, RAMDG, Genesis, they're all, they deserve a lot for doing this such a marvelous job. Apart from that, the EPIC officials, all the employees of the EPIC, all the vendors, all those who have cooperated and did the work in a very short span, in a very almost 24 hours we have been working. Such a beautiful work has come up, and all of them deserve a big pat on their back for doing such a marvelous job.
Ring of water, Jalamandala. The ring of water is a water bowl signifying incubator of life. Only through the mind it is possible to acknowledge the creation. Hence, taking the diameter of moon as 1 unit and multiplying it by 30, we get the diameter for the ring of water, 30 feet. The Earth is 30 times the size of the Moon. This water has a floating map of the world, but the empty space between the three fins represents the element ether. Species Pylon. Mimicking an extruded shalligram representing Vishnu, preserver among the Trinity, is a 32 feet tall elliptically shaped stone pylon stands next to the steel pylon. 32 feet represents 32 million species on the planet Earth, of which only a little over 8 million species have been identified. Down from the 32 feet datum level to the level of 26 feet level datum on the steel pylon, a section of 8 feet is internally lit, signifying the identified 8 million plus species. The species pylon is adorned with graphics symbolizing the story of biodiversity. Vertically, the graphics on the pylon are depicted in an ascending order according to their cell size. From the bottom, it starts with atoms, small molecules, proteins, viruses, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. These divisions are depicted with their corresponding graphics.
ఈ హిస్టారికల్ మాన్యుమెంటు హైదరాబాద్ నగరంలో రావటానికి వెనక చాలామంది పెద్దలు వక్తలు కృషి చేశారు. ఈ మాన్యుమెంట్ యొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్ ముఖ్యంగా ఇది బేసల్ విడ్త్ అంటే కింద దీని యొక్క వెడల్పు 107 అడుగులు సుమారుగా ఉంటుంది. మొత్తం హైట్ 46 అడుగులు ఉంటుంది. ఈ యొక్క కిందనటువంటి 5 బేసల్ రింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ 5 బేసల్ రింగ్స్ కూడాను వృత్తాకారంలో ఉన్నటువంటి రింగ్స్ అవి మన ఎలిమెంట్స్ భూమి, నీరు, గాలి, అగ్ని అలా 5 ఎలిమెంట్స్ని కూడా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాయి. ఈ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తూ అసలు భూమి మీద జీవ పరిణామం ఎలా పుట్టింది, చెందింది, జీవులు ఎలా ఆవిర్భవించాయి, ఒక ముందు మాస్ నుంచి ఒక జీవి ఎలా పుట్టింది, ఆ జీవి నుంచి జీవ పరిణామం ద్వారా చిన్న సెల్యులార్ యానిమల్స్ నుంచి సెల్యులార్ యానిమల్స్, అలాగే మరి టైగర్ వరకు కూడా, హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ వరకు కూడా ఒక 2-3 మాసాల్లోనే దానికి ఒక రూపకల్పన చేయటం, ఆ రూపకల్పనకు ప్రాక్టికల్గా కూడా దానికి ఒక రకమైన ఇది తీసుకొచ్చి దాన్ని నిర్వహించి ఆ యొక్క కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి తోడ్పడినటువంటి మరి మన S&S గ్రీన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ సంస్థ వారు, అలాగే జెనసిస్ అనేటువంటి ఆర్కిటెక్ట్ వారు, మరి డిజి అనేటువంటి ఆ 3 కంపెనీలు కూడా ఎంతో కృషి చేసి ఒక మంచి మాన్యుమెంట్ మన బహుశా చార్మినార్ తర్వాత హైదరాబాద్లో ఈ యొక్క మాన్యుమెంట్ పైలాన్ బయోడైవర్సిటీ మాన్యుమెంట్, బయోడైవర్సిటీ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చిందంటే మనం చాలా గర్వించాల్సినటువంటి విషయం.
Right in the middle of there are depictions of Dasavataras. That also tells the story of evolution mythology. From fish, Matsya, in water to an amphibian turtle, Kurma. From terrestrial boar, Varaha, to a half-man, half-beast, Narasimha. From the pygmy, Vamana, to the wild man, Parashurama. From cultured Rama to Superman, Krishna. And finally from the enlightened Buddha to the unknown potential of the beyond. They are 48 pentagonal punctures on the stone pylon. Pentagons represent the sugar molecule in the DNA structure that is fundamental to the building blocks of life. 48 represents the 480 seconds it takes for sunlight to reach Earth. Thus, the descending pentagons are a symbol of life being initiated by the sun from above. Structure pylon. A 7 feet tall DNA double helix sits on top of the stone. Pylon